Oh, what a great day. Good afternoon, good peoples of Biafrans. Good afternoon, wonderful peoples of Biafra. Well. For those of you who have been eager to see my face, I told you when you see my face, you will die. The only people that will see my face and survive are those whose hands are clean, the good-hearted Biafrans. But if you are the enemies of Biafra, I will advise you to cover your face because this face is dead to you. You see this face as you are seeing, so you are a dead person. If you are enemy of Biafra, no two ways about that. Today is a wonderful day. It's a great day. I said I will not wait till December, as I promised you that you will see my face on December. And then I decided to show you my face. That before December you will be already a dead person. Yes, that is why I told you that you are a dead person already as an enemy of Biafra. Before December you are gone. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. We are too great to be stopped by a mere mortal like you. We are too great to be stopped by a mere mortal like you. Okay? We are immortal. And when you see us saying to you that we were prepared before coming, we are not joking. Wonderful peoples of Biafra, today is a laughing day. Anyway, you see as I'm smiling. I'm smiling because he was smiling. He was smiling. Yesterday, DPO John Fence. DPO, the whole DPO John Fence. And then the question was, DPO, why do you jump fence? DPO jump fence. DPO that vow with his life that is going to protect the slave master, jump fence. Why? DPO, why? Why do you jump fence? DPO jump fence. You know, one funny thing about us is that he will tell you what is about to happen, so that you begin to prepare on how to stop it, which we know that you can't stop it. You can't stop it. But your mind will tell you that you can stop it. Your mind will deceive you. Your slave master will deceive you. They know you are the one to die. They know that it is your family that will suffer. But they will convince you to go forward. Move forward. And you'll be stupidly carry yourself and come and put for electric fire. We are the electric fire. The naked fire that will never pity you. We will shock you to your last breath. Those who are pushing you forward will not be there to deliver you, will not be there to save you, will not be there with you. And when you are gone, they will fuck your wife. They will chop your salary. You die for nothing. Because as long as you are defending the Zoological Republic of Nigeria, you will die for nothing. Nobody will remember you. Tell them, shall you see my face? It is an ex-military. You know me, I know you. Am I a new person to you? But I am your death. Yes. And when I tell you that thing you think say you know, we know more than you. You don't know us, but we know you. You can't see us, but we see you. We are defending the land of Biafra, and we will defend this life with all costs. Nothing you can do about it. Go and ask Hope. Hope make mouth. Hope make mouth. Sholu don't make mouth. Hope make mouth. General Butuzo is just a small man, a small general, but it is mighty. Go and do finding. He's the one in charge of the whole Biafra army in Biafra land. You cannot destroy him, and you cannot destroy him boys. You just learn work. And so when I Hope make mouth, I was like laughing at Hope. He said, you don't know what you are talking about. Wait until what you are smoking get into you. And then I can see as Hope. Now you see my face. Hope Alpha. You see, nobody could have died if you wake up and say, Nigeria, organize referendum, let's discuss the faith. Everybody go their way without dying. But you say no. Tunumbu, I will not say may you stop your madness. Okay? But I will always tell you that your DPO jump fence. Why did your DPO jump fence? Your army are dying in numbers. It is just 8 days. A long 23 days is still remaining. We never start. And again, I want to advise your newsmen, or the newsmen. Let me advise your newsmen. You know, when you say unknown gunmen, you are deceiving yourself and you are deceiving the world at the same time. Whenever you say unknown gunmen, you are deceiving yourself and you are deceiving the world. We are not unknown gunmen. We are Biafra Liberation Army. We are the foot soldier. We are not unknown gunmen. We are known gunmen. We are Biafran soldier. The liberation soldier. The angel of Chukwugika Abiyama. Whom Chukwugika Abiyama have sent that we might deliver his people from the darkness of the zoo. And so when you are using the word unknown gunmen, you are deceiving yourself. You know us. You know who are doing the thing. And now, for those of you who have been coming, show your face now, you bastard. Show your face now. Now you see my face. Look at my face, and you will not survive this month finish. You are already a dead person. Because I told you, when you see my face, you are dead as the enemies of Biafra. Idiot, do we have your time? You tell us, say we come to destroy the zoo. We will destroy the zoo beyond repair. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Go and consult your oracle. Go and consult your oracle. So when we say we will destroy the zoo have killed our parents, kill our father, kill our mother, kill our sister, kill our friend, kill our relative, kill our auntie, kill our aunt, kill our relative. You cannot survive us. We are coming with revenge, with anger. We are not here to romance you. We are not here to joke with you. We will destroy you. Everything in the zoo will go down. And when we say we'll go down, it will go down. And as the great man told you, go and look at Somalia. Somalia will be better, 100 times better than the zoo. You think it was a joke? It's not a joke. And those of you who never know that war is coming, you are very stupid, because it will carry you like erosion and you will not able to survive. Prepare, because it's coming. It's greater than you. Every rain must fall, because Biafra must be free by fire, by force. No joke. No joke. 2024 is not 1967. Don't think. Don't even go there. Don't go there. It is not 2024 is not 1967. If your mind is carrying you, go there. You are deceiving yourself. A lot of changes, a lot of development. Go and ask the DPO that jumped the fence. Yeah, vibrate. You know, we are just doing an experiment of what we produce. Experiment is what we are doing. The main one is not yet being launched. You understand that Butuzo get men. Hope call him a small boy. That small boy, I will destroy him. Do you see Butuzo like a small boy you can destroy? Do you know what is spirit? Can you destroy spirit? You will die 100 times before you even go close to Butuzo. I am telling you, you will die 100 times before you even go close to Butuzo. You understand better when time reach. We are telling you that this time around is not going to be the way you plan. We will dance this dance. You are the one that play the music, but we will dance in our own step. The way we like is how we are going to dance. Sometimes we will dance faster than your music. Sometimes we will dance slower than your music. Sometimes we will dance according to the beat of your music. But one thing is certain, that we are going to dance in our own way. Period. Can you change it? And as we told you that at the end of this madness, Biafra will come. Musa, why do you jump fence? Because in every division in Biafra land, now Hausa man be DPO. Musa just hear a little boom, Musa jump fence. A little boom, Musa jump fence. Musa, why do you jump fence? And we told you we are coming. We told you if you are a uniform man, we give you 1 month for rest. Come on your uniform. Stay in your house. You say no. You dare us. You see us. When you call, if you dial number and call, the number will ring. So since you call us, we answer your call. Hello? Are you there? Musa, are you still there? Oh, Chukwu Okike. Mm.
That was not as Abutua, but as true Biafra.
Yeah. You know, if you know what is coming, you will stop this madness on time before it is too late. He that is down, fear not falling. He that is already down, fear not falling. Are you aware of that? You have been killing us. You have been marginalizing us. You have been tormenting us. You have been dealing with us. And then you have been intimidating us. Should I take you back to 2015? Let me take you back some more. For those of you who are always easily forgot how we started, before now, how do we start? Before now, we do not wear this. Before now, we do not wear this. Before now, we did not wear this khaki. I'm taking you a little bit backward. Before now, we only go on the street doing peaceful protests with only Biafra flag. All we are saying, give us Biafra. No stick, no knife. No stick, no knife, no cut glass, no gun. We move in accordingly. We do not scatter anybody things. Go and check the record. The highest mass protests were IPOB. They have never one day destroyed anything of anybody. They never one day harm any first man on the road. They have never one day abused, ordinary to abuse government. No, we say, give us Biafra. What do? You wake up and look at those people that have been going on a very peaceful protest. Instead of you to think on how to grant their requests, you think on how to kill them. You come up with guns and bullets. You begin to kill them. You open live bullets on people that did not have harm, on an unharmed person. The rules of engagement, you broke it. Because the rules of engagement, which me and you know as a military man, is that do not shoot unharmed person. Even when harmed person fly white, you cannot kill that person because white signifies peace. Have you not broken all those rules of engagement? You break the rules of those engagement. Harms civilians. What do? Open live bullet on them. kill them as number. Capture many of them, which are still in your prisons till now. 9 good years, some are still in your prison. You have never tried them.
Commander, 12th Battalion. Major Nsudo, Biafra 18th Battalion.
You didn't stop from there. You went to the house of their leader, killed more than 45 people unarmed. They were not protesting. There was no protection. Man, there was nothing like protest in their house, in the compound you killed. I am taking those who are trying to choose the narrative, who want to change the narrative. I am taking you back to how we started before now. So that when you are talking, you look up, you look down. If you talk nonsense, thunder fire you. Yes. Those people you kill, get papa, get mama. Those people you kill, get brother, get sister, get friends, get relative. Are you aware of that? Okay. You think they will not revenge for the death of their loved one? You are mistaken. You did not just stop there. You went to your evil court and proscribed them. How can you just proscribe a peaceful people as a terrorist people? But the people that are main terrorists, Boko Haram, you do not proscribe them as terrorists. Oh my goodness me. The peaceful people, you proscribe them terrorists. That you might have right back up with your evil law to kill them. In their house, you go, break in their house, kidnap them. If they resist, you kill them. What was their crime? No, where was their crime? What was their crime? No, tell me. Let's speak the truth. What was their crime? Is it a crime for somebody to voice out his desire, his mind? Give us Biafra. We are tired of Nigeria. Nigeria is not favoring us. Nigeria is evil. Nigeria have expired. Nigeria is a company of Britain. We want to live as human, not as animal. You say no. Staying together is by fire, by force. Or we will kill you. You begin to kill. You begin to arrest. Illegal detention. Okay, your mind was that it will remain that way forever. You were mistaken. Because so that the world will bear us witness that we did not start it. You started it. We did not start it too. You started. You are the one that start killing. We only defend ourselves, because if we leave you, you wipe us out as human. If we allow you, we are a dead soul. So why should we do that? Are we not human? It is our right to defend our life. It is our right to defend our land. It is our right to defend our brother, our sister, our nephew, our cousin, our father, our mother. Do you think we will allow you to keep slaughtering us as you wish, as you like? You think that we will always allow you to have your way? Each time you sit down and you say you want to go and kill them, you just come and kill us? No.
Sabotage was a very serious issue in Biafra. Some unscrupulous evil men and women.
And then we say,
intelligent information to the Nigerian.
the more we look at you, the more you will keep harming us.
Some became friends.
The more you will keep reducing our strength, our numbers.
Why in Enugu City, for
The more you will keep dealing with us.
and bound them to the ground.
That it is a time for us to defend our life. Because it is he who be alive can defend his land.
Many shameless Igbo women, devoid of feminine dignity, went to live.
There come the great son of Nnamdi Kanu, the good guy, Simon Ekpa, whom God had prepared for the time like this, who gave us what it takes to withstand your evil and destroy your evil. And let me tell you, what is greater than you is coming. I decided to show my face today because I know many evil will die by seeing my face. Yes. I am telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. What is greater than you is still loading. Do you hear that? We are angry. We are very, very, very furious. We are not smiling. You see what is happening to you. Are you not seeing it? Do we look like person that will bow down? No. Those of you who happen to see us, do we look like person that will surrender or retreat to you? Do we look like person that will retreat back? You don't know anything. When we say we will pursue you out of the land of Biafra, so shall it be. Either life or death, you must leave the land of Biafra. And if you destroy anything in the land of Biafra, as we are pursuing you out of the land of Biafra, we will also come to your place and destroy beyond what you have destroyed in our land. It's a promise to God who created us. We will also come to Sokoto, destroy. Come to Abuja, destroy. Go to every part of the north, also destroy more than what you destroy in the land of Biafra. We will enter Lagos, destroy. So, and that is why I'm telling you that you should not think that 2024 is 1967 to 70. You cannot destroy any building, anything in the land of Biafra and go scot-free. We are telling you now, we are giving the world should hear this. We are telling you in advance. I will still come and tell you. Have I not told you? Because some of you are very stupid and crazy. You don't know that where your madness stops, it is where our own begins. Where your madness stops, that is where our own madness begins. Don't think that you are the only one that know how to mad. The craziness, we also know how to craze. Now we be the main colometer. Our own colo, person no dey fit stop us. With the colo, are we smiling? No smiling. With the craze, so craze na in the worry also. And so when you are coming and say talking rubbish, who born you? Wetin you think say you fit do, pass wetin you don't do. Tell us, what do you think you can do past what you have done before? And then we are here to tell you that no matter wetin you do, you no fit finish the river. Water inside our river, you no fit even go half. So we are not shaking. No matter what you do, Nyash still remain for back. You know if he come from. We don't weigh you. This is how you are to us. That song where your children used to sing, when you were small, you used to sing that song. Satan power, smallest power. Now the song don't change you, no. Nigeria power, smallest power. Nigeria power, smallest power. Biafra power, super power. Biafra power, super power. If you think we are joking, why did your DPO jump fence? Why are your army crying? Why are they crying? Ask them now. So, the purpose of my coming today is to tell you, you that are still alive with the zoological uniform, remove that uniform, stay in your house, hide, go hiding. Go, I'm just giving you an expo. Go hiding, oh. You cannot survive what is coming. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, she go. Now we go in the town. This is our land. This is the land whom Chukwugika gave to our great grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over it to us. Let me tell you this with my open eye. I say this land, we must hand over it to our children and our children unborn without your presence, without the presence of Nigeria, without the presence of Britain. Do you think we are joking? Biafra must be free in our time. We cannot fight this fight and remain for our children. It is impossible. Chukwu Akoekwe, God can never, he will not be happy with us. And so we have already taken an oath never to do that. And it can never happen. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. And if you think we are joking, then wait until we swallow you alive. We will swallow you alive. This is what we are fighting for. Alonso. Bum bum. Bum bum. Oh, Umu Biafra. Bia Umu Biafra. Chineke na bunu. Hey. Abarakata. What you do not know, you don't know anything. What you did not know pass you. And that is why when you make mouth, we will stop you, we will destroy you, we will kill you, we will finish you. I just laugh. We are the air you are breathing. We are the water you are drinking. We are the sun that is shining on your forehead. We are the sand you step your foot upon. We own your life in the land of Biafra. We decide who live and who die. When we catch you, you understand better. So when we say leave our land, we are not joking. We mean it. And that is why I am here to tell you, no longer with mass, so that you will not come up and say, show your face, coward. We are not coward. We do as our spirit directs us. And as I promise you that the day you see my face, your end has drawn near. Leave the land of Biafra. Leave the land of Biafra.
life and burned
with
down
your
the
life,
market in Onitsha.
with your life now,
1967, Nigerian 80th
or
Battalion,
they go carry your
Major
dead body.
landed in
Come on.
Calabar to reinforce Nigerian 3rd Commando Brigade.
They go carry your dead body. Come on. You might think it's a joke. You might think it's a play until it happened to you. I will not tell you more than this. I will not tell you more than this. Fix the day for referendum. Fix the day, or better still, go with our referendum. We have conducted referendum, and you see how it goes. If you wait till 2nd December, if you wait till the day of declaration of restoration of the sovereign face state of Biafra, so many lives will lose. And 100% are showing you that it's not going to be on our side. People will die, not on our side. 100% are showing you this.
We have the pleasure now to play for you one of the songs.
Those of you who are interested in Nigerians or well-being of Nigeria, you better tell them to let Biafra go. You better tell them to let Biafra go now. If they fail to do so, and they delay the 2nd of December, when the restoration of Biafra will be pronounced, believe you me, what you will see, the war will shock. And at the end, you will see be forced to let Biafra go. You can't stop us. You can never stop us. You will never stop this budget. Biafra or Biafra. Biafra or Biafra. Biafra or Biafra. If you like, take it. If you don't like, you leave it. But what we are telling you is that the more you delay the coming of Biafra, the more your soldier will die. The more your terrorists, men on uniform, will continue to be dying. The more we will destroy you. You think we are here to joke? You never see something. You never see something. We are coming. We are coming. You understand it better. Go and ask your DPO why he jump fence. If DPO jump fence, what happened to Krovo? Krovo will run to go and tell DPO we are under attack. Only to see DPO don't jump the very high fence. DPO don't jump fence. DPO don't jump fence. Krovo say, hey, my own don't finish. DPO, why? DPO don't. Chineke God. If your DPO jump fence, is it you, Krovo, Sergeant, that are safe? If your squad commander run, is it you, Private, that are safe? Your salary, they never pay you the August salary. August has finished. They are begging you. Is it the nation you will die for? Go home to your family with your life. Or stick your gun and die in the land of Biafra. No two ways about that. Well done once again. Good afternoon to the lovers of freedom, Biafrans all over the world. I do not intend to go more than this. Often and often, you'll be seeing my face. But for the enemies, the more you see my face, the more you die. We have come to restore Biafra. And Biafra we must restore. No man or woman, no spirit, nobody born into this war can stop the restorations of Biafra. They never born such person. If you think you know how to do juju, if you think you get juju, if you think you get power, if you think you have what it takes to stop Biafra, I challenge you to step forward. I challenge you. The spirit of Biafra challenge you. All the ghosts of Biafra challenge you. All the Holy Ghost of Biafra challenge you to step forward and try your power if you will go back alive. And then you will know we are legion. We will swallow you alive. You can never go back alive. Your juju na here ain't go fake. Your power na here we go destroy am. And that thing where you carry come na ain't go kill you. You come into the land of Biafra to kill the children of Biafra, you can never go back alive. If you think I'm lying, come and try. That is what I have for you today. As the crusade is, I advise you to stay safe as a good citizen of Biafra. God bless the great supreme leader of Biafra government. God bless you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless you, the great son of the great supreme leader by name Simon Ekpa. God bless you. I salute you, all my fellow congress and all the commanders. I salute you, General Butuzo. I salute you, all of you that are in support of this great struggle. May Chukwu Gika Abiyama continue to protect and bless all of you until Biafra come and beyond, now and forevermore. He said.